In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a channel private in Slack. This is a useful feature if you're looking to keep certain conversations confidential and restricted to a select group of people within your workspace. So let's dive right in and figure out how to get this done efficiently. First, we need to get on Slack. You'll want to either launch the desktop or web version, depending on your preference. Make sure you have the necessary permissions, because this process requires you to have full admin rights. Once you're logged in, head over to the specific workspace that contains the channel you're considering converting to a private one. Next, let's locate the channel. On your sidebar, you'll find a list of channels. Scroll through this list and find the exact channel you want to make private. Take note that being meticulous at this stage is crucial. Double check that you have selected the correct channel to avoid any confusion later. Click on the channel name to open its details so you can access the settings. Now it's time to dive into the settings. If you're using Slack on your desktop, you'll see a gear icon at the top of the channel. Clicking on this gives you a drop-down menu where you'll find settings or sometimes additional options. If you're using a mobile device, tap on the channel name, proceed to settings, and then head over to advanced or privacy depending on what's shown on your screen. At this point, you should be looking for the option that says change to a private channel. This is a significant step because once you proceed with making the change, Slack will remind you that it cannot be undone later. It's a one-way street, so ensure this aligns with your intentions. Once you're sure, click on change to private and Slack will take care of the rest. After transforming the channel into a private one, member management becomes a top priority. Now, only people you invite can participate in or even view this channel. Admins and channel owners hold the exclusive rights to add or remove members. This can be managed through the channel's settings and then under the members section. Always be aware of who has access, as this ensures your conversations remain confidential and within the trusted circle you've built. By following these steps, you've successfully made your channel private on Slack. It's a straightforward process, yet it holds the power to keep sections of your workspace secure and maintain the integrity of sensitive information. As always, remember to review your member list regularly and adjust permissions as your team evolves. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next tutorial.